this particular video is on the pin curl process, the pin curl look. This is the molding process that's about to be taking place. And I do it a little different than most people. I take a section in the front, which you're about to see in a minute, and I part it off in the front after I do the sides of the framing of the face. So just take a look at this mold in detail. And then once we get to the front, watch how I make the parting and just use that particular part and frame it around, as you see with the tip of the tail comb. And I'm not making a wave, I'm just waving or fringing around, framing the face, making a wave, not an actual true wave. Now you see how I parted that off? And it's a little long, but it was still able to be achieved. See that? You tuck it. Using the tail comb in. That's what actually make this part flow a lot easier. And this is just one of many. As we build this community, you will learn a couple of other molding techniques, and especially as I learn new ones, I will definitely share with you guys what that is. So you see how I just literally I smoothed it out, and I took the tip of the tail comb to just make the grooves to frame the face. And then the top part, I'm literally just softly combing right on top of it. Very softly so you don't mess it up. See how that worked? So continue watching this video, guys. And please, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me, to call me, text me. Better yet, post the questions in the group. Participate in the Q&A questions. I know we usually do them on Tuesday, but I really would like to find a way where we can do the last one via webinar, or we pick a day where everybody can pretty much be active, at least more people be active. So stay tuned, continue watching this video, and then I will see you over in the group. And your homework assignment would be to practice that mold and post it in the group.
The world is offering you an opportunity to expand, to be more, to do more, to impact more, to shift more, to play more, to experience more. You matter. Your dreams matter. Your deepest desires matter. I see you. I feel you. You've got this. Be okay with being human. Wildly human. Do you feel the shift?
Do you feel it? Surrender. Do you feel it? Will you surrender?
You were born to shine. You were born to make.
Okay, guys, so now I am doing the comb out process from the mold, and look how soft and look how nice that looks. That was done with the Casablanca foam, and then I used some of my Crazy Canvas oil blend to put on her hair. So the curling process, always, guys, make sure that you take very small partings and cover the part that you make. I always tend to go up, especially when I do the pin curls, so that you see no parts nowhere. And then as you go around the head, you make sure again that each section has the same amount of curls, and you go from there, because the purpose of doing that is so that you can have a uniform look. One side doesn't look fuller than the other. All sides will look full, and it will give it a very, very nice, clean profile. All right, I will see you more in the video. Continue watching and pay very attention to how thin those parts are.
Change the world. I have a purpose, I have a meaning, I'm here to change the world. I have a purpose, I have a meaning, I'm here to change the world. I have a purpose, I have a meaning, I'm here to change the world. I have a purpose, I have a
So as you can see, I came in now with the Marcel iron. And I decided to use the Marcel iron, one, because her hair is a little shorter around the sides and the back. But I found the iron that can still give me that curly effect so that it still goes uniform with the pin curl once we get closer to the top and we start framing her face. So don't forget, keep the parts thin. Make sure you find the right iron where you can still give it a nice tight curl. And then of course, when you finish this, I would love to see it posted in the group. And maybe actually post it before you start the pin curl and then post it when you finish the pin curls. Okay, I'll see you in the rest of the video.
I'm obsessed.
Okay, obsessed with what though? Money, freedom, what's really at the core of it?
No. I'm obsessed with something that underpins all of the results in my life.
Well,
I'm obsessed with growing.
growing what though?
Growing me, shifting, growing, expanding, becoming more of me on a daily basis. But here's the difference between me and most people. You see, most people enjoy growing, they're committed to growing, they clear time for their growth, which is great. But me, I'm obsessed. Literally, I can't not grow. I can't go a day in my life without pouring into my own growth, otherwise I feel stuck, deflated, sad, lost. It's like a hunger deep within my body, a continuous craving that needs to be satisfied. It really is the core essence of my being.
Oh, got it.
I'm only here to win, only here to be my best. Excuse me, I'm just a little obsessed. Obsessed. I'm only here to win, only here to be my best. Excuse me, I'm just a little obsessed. Obsessed.
You see, sometimes it feels like a curse. Some days I'm tired and I can't be bothered, but trust me, I know that
So right here you see me getting ready to start forming some of the pin curls with the regular iron, and then I take the needle nose iron and I glide it over so that it can form
create more of that by
the pin curl.
over your own growth.
Now watch how I do it. Sometimes it'll lay just the way it needs to, but sometimes you need that needle nose just to drag it. Watch what I'm doing. I'm making the S curl, then there you go. You just take the tip and fold it. This will be at the retreat as well, because sometimes you may need this more up close. You may need to see this up close and you'll really get it. But if you continue watching, I do it throughout the entire pin curl part, and it almost forms like a wave look, but it's still forming the pin curl because it's just the S motion. And you just do every other. And see how I'm dragging that back?
So here's the secret that underlies it all. Once you have mastered being obsessed with your own growth, the secret is to then get obsessed
See how that goes?
way.
Please leave a comment in the group if you have a question about that, because maybe I will, when I do another client, I can
Your breakthrough doesn't belong to you. Your lessons
send another snippet video for you guys just to see that a little bit more up close. But you just form the S pattern, whether you use an iron or a flat iron, and you take the needle nose iron to drag it out to just form it and place it into place.
by giving away the results of your obsession with your own growth. That is when you'll wake up. That is when you'll feel full. That is what life is about.
Only here to win, only here to be my best. Excuse me, I'm just a little obsessed. Obsessed. I'm only here to win, only here to be my best. Excuse me, I'm just a little obsessed. Obsessed. Get obsessed with your
So guys, you see how I'm taking the flat iron and I curl it the opposite way of where I want to put the needle nose to drag it to place that pin curl into the hair. See how it lays? So always do the opposite way. So when I do this curl, I'm going the other way, which would be, if you're looking at this, it will be going to your right. See how I'm dragging it all the way to the right? And see how it lays? But I'm gonna go back in and show you how to use that needle nose just to pinch that in there after I do another curl. And then this is gonna go the opposite way to the left. It's like every other, it's like filling in a puzzle. And so see how I take that needle nose and pinch it up right there. And see how it lays it better? And you do that all the way around the head. So continue watching. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to post in the group. So as you can see, I'm doing every other curl, going the opposite way. And it's really just filling in where there looks like there may be a hole if you go the opposite way. So you just curl it the opposite way so it can fall. And sometimes you take that needle nose and pinch it in, and sometimes you don't have to. But the majority of the time, it's always good to just go back in with the needle nose just to pinch it up so that it can have that pin curl effect. So continue watching. Okay, here we go. See how I put that pin curl and just pinch it. And it lifts it up and puts that pin curl formation wave in there. There you go. So keep watching, and I look forward to you guys posting a group questions that you may have. Do not hesitate to text me, or actually just put the message or the questions you have in the group, because we will do Q&A. All right, guys. Love you.
How you feeling? I'm fired up. I love it. Just start today.
That's right. How easy is this? How good does it feel to be creating more space in your body? Ah, so good. Yes. Focus on what you're manifesting. Ah, I'm so happy and grateful that I've already received all of the things that I'm calling in. Yes. Okay. Say this with me. I believe that change happens instantly. I believe that I am powerful. I believe that I set an intention and it manifests with rapid speed. I believe in divine timing. believe that everything is always perfect. I believe that I have the ability to click my fingers as the world